back with part 3 of solving the Rubik's. This is gonna be the final part, you know, all that good stuff. Sorry for the horrible intro, but it's gonna be the third layer. Just get out our Rubik's Cube. See, last time we got the second. Now we're gonna show you some algorithm. F U prime. Ooh, you guys died there. U prime. R. U prime. R. L. F prime. And you should end up with 3 little yellows on the top. And you're just going to do that repeatedly. So I will let you guys know when I get the cross. There we go. So now I got the yellow cross. There's 3 results. There's a R, or it's just these 3. Take away these 2. There's the cross, and then there's just little L. But either way, you'll get the same results. Now to line everything up, you're going to want to do this algorithm. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. And then you're going to do it at least once or twice, so you can line up everything. And in this case, it didn't work out, so I'll let you know when I come back with everything lined up, which might be in like a couple seconds. So it didn't take that long, but now we're gonna just worry about orienting the corners. Now you're gonna do U, R, U prime, R prime. Actually no, that's not it. I'm sorry. So L, U, R prime. Usually what this will do is orientate all your corners until you get them in the right spot. Once you get them in the right spot, then you'll worry about doing this algorithm over and over again. And now we have 2 corners here. Now what you can do is a simple one. Is get everything, get your things in the right up top right corner, and R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Now keep them in the corner. Just repeat this algorithm. And now we're going to finish it. There you go. You have officially solved the Rubik's Cube. Happy birthday!